these strange noises at night. I don't know what they are. I just keep hearing them. Like that. Like that. What the? What's that?
Oh,
Oh, jeez. Who are you? I got cameras.
I am the owner of this YouTube channel. It's me. Yeah. That's why you've been hearing those strange noises. And that's why I've been eating all your Captain Crunch.
Wait. I need that guy.